Welcome to this video tutorial to iSense R2. In this video, you will learn about the basic principles of the iSense user interface. There is no need to install any additional software on the computer in order to use iSense. All you need to do is start your web browser and log onto your account by typing in your username and password. After login, you will be redirected to the My Portal page. The iSense user interface consists of three parts. On the left-hand side, you find the main menu. The main window is located in the center. Important shortcuts can be found at the top end of the page. These 6 shortcuts are available at any time. Pressing the button My Portal will bring you back to the My Portal overview. To quit iSense and end your current session, press Log Out. The Help button offers you further information in case you have any questions concerning the use and functionality of iSense. Also, you can create a new element like an email or a personal note. To do this, choose the function Create New Element. The global search helps you to search your iSense workspace for keywords. The Chronic gives you an overview about your recent iSense activities. On the left-hand side, you see the main menu. It is divided into the packages that you have access to and the corresponding modules. In this case, the packages are Organizer, Collaboration, Enterprise Resources, and Customer Relations. Organizer and Collaboration are part of every iSense edition. Enterprise Resources and Customer Relation packages are optional. In the following episodes of this iSense video tutorial, we are going to introduce you to the specific modules. To expand or collapse the menu structure of one of the packages, just click on its name. Furthermore, you have the option to change the language settings of iSense. To introduce you to the use of the individual modules within iSense, we exemplarily switch to the Task module. The main window adopts as soon as you switch to an application module, like Tasks. If you switch to an application module, an additional module menu appears. At the moment, you're looking at the tasks in the main overview. By clicking on the title of a task, you can navigate to the detailed view. Another option would be to simply double-click on an element while the cursor is still located in the line that belongs to the specific task. In the detailed view, you get additional information. Also, you can edit the data of the task you've chosen. The menu bar on the right-hand side adopts again when you switch to the detailed view. Now it offers you further options that you can use on the chosen task. Let's take a quick look at the options that you can use in this element. If you want to see all the changes that have been made to this element recently, click on the Chronic button. This shows you an exact overview on who worked with this element and when. To generate a copy of the element, click on Duplicate. To completely remove an element from iSense, press Delete. If you want to send an element to a certain iSense user without releasing it to every member of the group, you can do this by clicking on Send. To remind you of a certain task that you have to work on, you can create a reminder that shows up at the chosen point in time. The option Save as Icon creates an icon file that enables you to import the element to further applications, like Microsoft Outlook for example. This distinction between main and detailed view can be found in most of the other iSense application modules as well. To leave the detailed view and go back to the main overview, just click on the Close button. You also have the option to display detailed information directly in the main overview. Just click on the lens symbol at the very bottom. If you have created a large number of tasks, iSense displays them on several pages. To see the following pages, either click on the number of the page or use the arrow labeled Next Page. If you click on the title of a column, iSense assorts your tasks according to this criteria. If you mark a certain task in the main view by using the radio buttons, you can directly edit or remove it. Just click on the marked entry and enter the new data. The search box helps you to find specific tasks that you're looking for. This function is able to find any task that contains a search string in any way. The pipeline is a graphic display of all the tasks which are listed in your iSense. This way you see how many of your tasks are active, cancelled, or even already finished. If you want to display only tasks of a certain status, you can do this by clicking on the corresponding area of the pipeline. To filter the list of tasks for elements of a certain status or a certain group, you can use the filter bar at the bottom end of the table as well. By clicking on the symbol Filter Personal, you can hide the elements created by your coworkers that don't concern you. To remove any filter and search criteria you have applied before, click on Remove Filter. A very important aspect regarding the administration of elements within iSense is their affiliation. If you create a new element, for example a task, you can set an affiliation to a group. If you choose Private, no user can access this element but you. You're the only person that can view and edit it. On the other hand, the element is visible for every user connected to you through iSense if you choose the affiliation Public. In this case, everyone who holds the necessary access rights can make changes to this item as well. The other affiliations you see are representing groups. Only members of the specific group have access to the element after it has been created. By using the function Publish, private entries can be transformed to public or group-specific ones at any time. The other way around, only an administrator or the author of the entry himself is able to transform a public or a group-specific element into a private one. Within most modules, you can choose between different views. To switch between different views, you can either use the corresponding options in the navigation bar or the tabs on top of the main view if available. Moreover, there is an input mask in the right-hand side menu that can be used to create new elements in a fast and easy way. This way, there is no need to change to the detailed view first. If you click on the top end of the module menu, iSense hides the menu bar. The bar shows up again when you move the cursor back to the right side. Another click on the top end of the menu locks the menu into position again. If you want to completely hide all the menus, you can do this by using the full screen option on the bottom end of the page. Pressing the default view button brings back the menus. This ends this video introduction to iSense R2. We hope that we were able to provide you some help for your first steps in iSense. Further information concerning the possibilities and handling of specific modules can be found in the other episodes of our video tutorials.